Hello everybody, welcome to another video, and this is the final part of the series. I just finished air layering successfully and someone asked if I could propagate from a cutting. So this is where the whole thing started. I had some leftover cuttings and side shoots, so I started with them. I pruned them as low as possible to see what's going to happen. I also put some Epsom salt so that they could recover faster. And covered them with a moisturizing dome so that they don't dry out. I repeated this process with the other cuttings as well. I pruned this side shoot earlier and I see some new growth here. This is the 2-inch cutting which was left over from the air layering. Even the 2-inch cutting started putting up new growth. So this is what happened after 13 days of initial pruning. I had very high expectations on this cutting. This cutting died and bounced back later. So this is what happened after 3 months. Some plants grew very nicely and some plants did not grow. Later on, we can transfer them to a separate pot and grow them nicely. So here is the final result of pruning the small plants. So here is my conclusion. They're never small to prune, but the only thing is you have to take care of them nicely. That's it. Thanks for watching, folks. A big thanks to all the subscribers. And I will see you all in next video.